I am Migar Uke and I am a life coach. Today I will discuss about modern personality development. Let's see the contents of the topic. First, personality facts. Second, transformation and development. Third, need for transformation. Fourth, problem and solution for transformation. Fifth, habits which need to change. Sixth, step by step transformation. Let's begin with the first point, that is personality facts. Creation of life occurs due to evolution and transformation from single cell into a developed animal. Every day everything changes, except change if it brings peace and happiness, prosperity to yourself and the world. Intelligent humans easily accept positive change. They want to be better person than yesterday. A narrow-minded person fears the change because of his fixed thoughts and beliefs. He fears because he thinks something bad will happen if he or any other person or thing changes. He is slave to his underdeveloped, stubborn, egoistic mind. Second point, transformation and development. If you want to change, then try to adopt yourself positively according to every situation and circumstances. Transformation includes change of thoughts, action, behavior, surroundings, personality, system, etc. If you think you are perfect and you don't need to transfer anything in yourself, then either you are fool or you are enlightened. If you are rigid and inflexible, then you are resisting chances to develop your inner skills and mental ability. If you don't adjust or change yourself with developing world, you will experience backwardness in terms of knowledge and skills. You become restless, which may lead to anger, depression, anxiety, etc. Third point, need for transformation. For positive change, you need courage and intelligence to accept your own flaws. You need positive mindset, self-confidence, and belief in positive change, which is for your betterment. After positive transformation, you will feel, see, experience everything differently with more focused and developed mind. Transformation brings peace of mind, true knowledge, happiness with better health. Fourth point, problem and solution for change. Most difficult part is to recognize our own mistakes and flaws in terms of thoughts, action, and behavior. It is difficult because most of us love the way we are and we think we are perfect. But we must know that there is always a scope for improvement and development. After knowing our own flaws, understand reasons behind it and barriers which are stopping you from positive change. Reason includes ego, friends, family member, society, media, self-importance, etc. Avoid the situation or person who creates negativity and hampers you from behaving in good way. Intelligent try to win every argument, but genius avoids them. First, transform yourself, then change others. Don't expect others to change and behave positively. It will ultimately hurt you. Have courage to accept positive things and person. Also reject negative ones. Find bad habits in yourself and try to change them one by one positively. Get out of your comfort zone. Give it more of your time every day. You will develop only when you get out of your comfort zone and stop wasting precious time in other things. Always believe in the good result of doing good things. Fifth point, habit which needs to change. intentionally or unintentionally hurting feelings of others for fun, addiction to anything which is harmful and injurious to health, immoral and negative thoughts and behavior, negligent and lethargic attitude, wasting time in doing unnecessary and unproductive things for entertainment, acts, events, peoples, deeds which hinder you from positive change and development. 6 point step by step transformation. First, unless you recognize and realize your wrongdoings, you can never transform. Think and ponder over a question that why you retain in sorrow and happiness every now and then after a short period of happiness. Second, have courage to ask family members, friends about your bad habits or behavior which they don't like. Sometimes your critics are your true friends. What you can't see in yourself, others can see it. If you too feel it bad, then try to change yourself. Third, right meditation in right way is key to transformation and development. Fourth, always remind yourself you are changing for your own betterment. The path is difficult, but it will ultimately give you positive results. Fifth, ignore and stay alienated from peoples and persons who encourage you doing bad habits directly or indirectly, person who may hinder you from changing. Be with people and persons who have good habits and more noble than you. Meet good persons and ask them how they get rid of bad habits. Don't hesitate or fear asking right noble persons. Ask them for suggestions for how to achieve positive change. Seventh, in extreme cases of addiction, go to rehab center, consult a doctor or social worker. If you have any doubt related to this topic, if you want to transform your personality, then message me. My calling number is 7972896592. My WhatsApp number is 9970351091. Thank you for your time and consideration.